Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a holiday today and my entire family is going on a little trip. But to be honest with you, I have no idea where we're going. I don't think any of my family members know yet. We're just gonna go with the flow and follow our hearts and get ready and get out of the house, and we are going to have breakfast first at Mecca's McDonald's, or McDonald's in English, or 麦当劳 in Mandarin, and then we're just gonna go I don't know where. And guess what? You guys are coming! Yay! I'm so excited. Get your stuff ready. Get yourself ready. Let's go, guys. Let's go! Can't wait.
Did you say coffee? Yes. I didn't hear anything. In the mountain area of Sanxia, I can see a river there, and it's really, really green here. Just look around. Wow. That is a broken bridge, which looks pretty scary. Hopefully no one was injured or killed. Oh, that's the part. Ooh. You see it? It's right there. Nice. It's super green here, guys, especially when I live in a hustle and bustle for such a long time. Green is so rare and so special to me. I can't leave here for some reason. I really love the green. It's very natural, and the air is very fresh here. Ah, great! Look at the green. Unfortunately, nothing lasts forever. We have to continue our journey and go to another place. Are you guys ready to leave this green area? I'm not, but we have to go. Let's go back to the car.
Hoa Yan Shan Lin, here we come! Another 500 meters and we're there! Yay! Hoa Yan Shan Lin or Arcadia.
车子要停上面，然后会有像这种接驳车
OK，
然后上去右转，
那个停车位的
You
话
have to take
不用钱，
不用钱，所以我们开到上面了，是不是
对，上去之后右转，
？OK，
然后再走下来哦。
可以在上面，可以在上面等我走下来都可以。
OK，
好的，接驳车。
好 ，OK， 好，谢谢。
We're now at Arcadia and we just parked our car. We're waiting for the bus to take us up because the parking lot up there is already full.
These are the infamous betel nut trees. In Mandarin, we call them 槟榔树. This is the main gate of Hoa Yan Shan Lin, Arcadia.
So we had to pay $100 each for these tickets, but the guy said that we can, you know, get a $100 discount if we spend any money up there. So, well, that's their policy. Okay, so that's their ticket, and when you turn it around, what is that? Oh, it's a map. Okay guys, the rain is getting heavier and heavier, and after around 10 minutes or so, we finally arrived at the, not top, but we've arrived at the restaurant. Let me show it to you. There it is. That is the restaurant in the mountains. Here you go. 鼻子很长。 好大的，来了，大的，大的，超大。好大。So here's a map of the entire, I don't know, entertainment area, I think. This is where we are. Here. And that's where the fish was. Here we are, and to be honest with you, I have no idea where we're going. Wow, look at this place. It honestly feels like, or we can really tell that the owner has spent a lot of time and effort on making this place awesome. Looks like he or she loves fish. I'm assuming that this is the restaurant. So we're going inside, and on our way inside, I can smell such a strong aroma of spaghetti or cheese. Oh, it smells so good. The atmosphere here is so nice. I'm not so sure about the front though. I don't think it fits very well with this area, with this environment. But anyway. Looks like a hot pot to me, or two hot pots. And a lovely family. Here's an introduction of the fish that we just saw downstairs, the huge ones. And actually, they sell 600 grams of that meat for 350 NT dollars. It says that the lips of the fish actually makes you look beautiful. Lips. Look at that. The atmosphere is so relaxing. The view. Oh. Look at that. Wow.
Oh my gosh, I love the big window and the view. Wow.
Selling the fish with a Chinese medicine soup. One meal for 750 NT dollars. Looks like this, and here it says 600 grams for 450, whereas outside it says 350. So I guess they have adjusted the price for a little bit. But still, it's pretty scary because one second you're playing with the fish and you're watching them swim, and the next second you're chewing on their bones. So it's really crazy. So I don't think that's what I'm going to order. Here is lamb shank, 620.
They don't have English.
Steak,
They have a
600.
here. And then they have a 炒饭 here. And then they have 日式个人套餐，9个菜
Organic
1个汤。
Americano, 180. That's a lot of money. Chocolate waffle,
那是写儿童猪诶，
That's better.
儿童牛诶。
Chocolate pie, one slice, 200. 30.
吃完那我们就走了，我们就去。
Pretty expensive. Not too sure what I want to order. Premium Australian wines. Oh my god. Oh, it looks like they have desserts, but you have to order a plate. There are like 3 different kinds, and it costs $220. But that cheesecake looks so nice. And the puffs. 3 of the puffs cost $120. Those puffs, those.
这咖啡是美式，冰的则是3合1哦。
Oh wow, guys, look at the beautiful view. The rain has stopped and the view is getting so beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. We've paid and now we're just waiting for the food, and I'm just wandering around trying to absorb as much of this beautiful view as possible. Oh, so pretty.
是有一只白色的小狗，身上有一条蓝色的项链，现在跑到厨房来了，请立刻把它拖回去，谢谢。
Done.
This is honestly the best hot pot 火锅 that I've ever had.
外面很漂亮哦。
高丽菜。
菜都很有
干贝 ，tiniest I've ever seen. For dessert today. Cheers. Do you like it?
I like it very much. Soft and sweet, but not so sweet. And a little bit 豆腐的味道，豆腐加牛奶。The most important is very tender. Tender. Outside is cold.
好吃哎，
说软软的。
My very personal rule of eating hot pot is to leave the egg till the very end because I love eggs with very soft yolks, and it's just the perfect timing after you've eaten everything. Enjoy the egg. Perfect.
Goodbye table, thank you for the beautiful view and the amazing time we had here. I'll see you next time table. Okay, let's continue our journey. Oh my gosh, look at their drinks. They look so good.
Cranberry.
Really good business. Okay. That fruit tea looks so delicious. Oh my gosh. But one costs 180 and we think it's too expensive. 花岩山林，谢谢光临. Thank you so much for the great time. I'll see you next time. 花岩山林. Bye. Bye. Hoa Yan Shan Ling, 谢谢您. Thank you. Bye bye. Love the view here. I absolutely love it. So we're now at a village really close to where we were, and these are the mailboxes of the entire village. Look at that. How retro. And then when you look across the street, wow, wow, wow. This is so retro. Look at that little, I don't even know if that's a car. I don't think it counts as a car. Wow, really nice. Okay, now let's continue walking down the street. Here we are. Look at those sausages. They're selling sausages. This is a very small sausage factory. They make their own sausages and it smells really nice here. Okay, good. Good boy. Then a few, oh my god, oh my god. This thing almost got into my eyes. Oh my gosh, I almost got killed. Oh my god. Oh, okay. A few meters later, I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Same name, but they have a lot more sausages. Nice. Yeah, I saw that. It's the Moon Festival, so a lot of people are having barbecue at the front of their house. Okay. That's another family who's preparing for the barbecue. And that's a sausage stand, too.